Binuhat na tuloy ang mannequin, bibili niya daw at dadalhin pa uwi. Pasaway talaga tong asawa ko. Guys, so we have gifts here from Sis Richelle and Claudio. Ayan. Let's open it. Ayan. Oh! May pa. Oh! Makeup bag. Love it. Pinky. Pink, 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 pink. Pink na pink. Oh, wow! OMG! Oh, look at this, guys. Backpack. So cute! Love it! Pink! Pink, 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 pink! Matching backpack and makeup bag from Sis Richelle and family. Ganda, diba, guys?
The next day.
Uuwi na kami, guys. Ayan, mamimiss ko si Sis Richelle. Alexander.
Tingin ka dun.
Kevin. Thank you so much.
Yay, I'm tall!
Thank you so much, Napoli family.
Welcome!
Hi, sis. Thank you so much.
See you next time!
Uwi na kami, guys.
Ingat!
Andun na siya, andun na siya.
Hopefully you don't know if there's like a backed up route.
Nanira na siya.
Long trip or
Oh yeah,
it is?
yeah. We just got to Thailand. We got to Uber a couple of like a year ago.
Yeah, we'll have to come visit you guys sometime.
Yeah.
Go there. We didn't see it.
Oh, you drove?
Oh, yeah.
We probably drove past it. Yeah, we looked at it maybe, but we didn't really like check it out or anything. But that's nice to have an airport there. I personally, if I can, I'd rather not fly.
Yeah.
I just don't like flying. Like, I don't know. I know they're safe, but I like to avoid it. I hate being in the middle of the air. I don't like that feeling. Yeah, but we've done it several times. I mean, when I was, especially when I was military. I'm coming in, dude. Guy really doesn't know what he's doing. He's trying to cover a crash or something. So come on out. This guy's speeding.
Yeah.
Perfect timing. Wait till I go over there.
We're gonna chicken.
Checker time.
Southwest chicken. Go pipi daw. Oh no. Yeah, just go Hi guys, nakapag-check-in na kami. Corey will gonna buy the mannequin. Are you gonna buy the mannequin?
Yeah, this is gonna be my new buddy.
Okay. See? He's buying the mannequin and a t-shirt.
Yep.
Sabi ni ate, pwede daw. Pina yung cashier. Are you carrying it? We're buying souvenirs.
Yeah, that's going on.
A few inches later.
Dito na kami sa Jose, guys.
Hey, go back.
Gabi yung mukha ko. Ma-filter. Putla eh. So, mister. Ito yung nabili ko na cups sa San Diego. Tsaka, bumili kami ng t-shirts. This is Rachel. Shout out. We are here in San Jose Airport.
Yeah.
Time check. What time is it? It's 1:19 in the afternoon. It's a nice day. Where did you enter?
Big chicken.
We're booking an Uber going home.
Some more beans over there.
Many minutes later.
We are finally home, guys, and Marley misses us a lot. Ayan, miss na miss niya si daddy niya naglalambing. Guys, dito na kami sa bahay. Ang kalat. Dito pa, ito yung mga nabili namin nabili namin to sa San Diego Zoo. T-shirt siya. Ayan. Dalawang medium size. Isa sa akin at saka isa kay hubby. So, matching kami, guys. Ayan. Grabe. Nasa $36 yung isa nito. Ayan. So, dalawa. And then, nakabili din kami doon sa airport. Ito naman is San Diego na t-shirt, small size. Ayan, cotton yan siya guys. And then, yan naman yung price, $14.99. And then, itong hat na yan, ano to siya, $20 to. Grabe. Double price yung sa airport eh. Tapos gusto ko sanang bumili ng tumbler guys. Grabe, $40 yung ano, yung price niya. So, ito pala guys yung bigay sa akin ni Sis Rachel. Ayan. Yung nag-shop nito, yung asawa niya pa guys. Pangit na ng nails ko. Nasira na. Yung asawa niya na si Claudio. Thank you so much kay Sis Rachel. Ayan. Nilagyan ko ng mga makeup na. And then, ang backpack guys. Ayan. Binigyan ako ng backpack. Ito siyang binigay sa akin na parang belt bag siya. Na crossbody. Same din ng purple ko. Pero dark purple to siya. Ayan. Sis Rachel, thank you ulit. Grabe, dami niyang binili sa akin. May mga binigay din ako sa kanya. And she likes it also. Yeah, so magliligpit muna kami ng mga dala namin guys. Andito pa yung luggage ko. Oh. Hindi pa na unload. Ayan, tingnan niyo. Pagod mag-bakasyon pero back to reality na tayo. Next day may pasok na. Ayan yung OOTD ko kanina. Oh, tingnan niyo. Ano ako. Skirt. Ayan. So, see you later, guys. Got some magnets from San Diego Zoo. That was $8.95. Almost $9. And then this one, we got it from the shop over there in La Jolla. And then this one is $6.99. And this one is $8.99. Yeah. So super expensive yung mga souvenirs nila guys. But maganda naman at nag-enjoy kami. Sulit ang bakasyon.